All right, so here is our propane oven slash stove. Pretty simple. If you're starting one, the burner's up here. Just locate your burner, turn it on the ignition, which is the little flame, and then just start turning this. That's how the burners work. Now, the range works a little differently. What you need to do with the range is turn it on here to the ignite, which is the flame. And then you just gotta turn the same ignition button lights both the range and the oven. And you just have to be patient right now. And the reason I want you to watch this whole video is to know that like it doesn't feel like it's gonna happen, and then it happens. Right, so I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to go back to the flame, and then I'm going to depress the knob, and then I'm going to continue. There it goes. So now the pilot light is lit, and just turn the knob.
Where do you see it? Oh, I see it.
All the way back there, and then, yep.
Cool.
Now you are quite literally cooking with gas.